Can diabetics eat bread? The answer might surprise you. People with diabetes don't need to completely avoid bread, but choosing the right type can be crucial for controlling blood sugar levels and reducing health complications. Here's what European health organizations recommend about the best bread choices for diabetics. According to the German organization DiabetesDE and international health experts, the key isn't eliminating bread entirely, it's making smarter choices. The type of bread you choose can make the difference between blood sugar spikes and stable glucose levels throughout the day. Baked goods made from whole grains are the best choice for people with diabetes. Here's why. Whole grain bread is rich in dietary fiber, which slows down carbohydrate absorption and helps stabilize glucose levels for longer periods compared to products made from refined white flour. Nutritional studies show that dietary fiber in whole grain bread helps reduce blood sugar rise after meals, promotes feelings of fullness to reduce overeating, and improves digestive health while regulating blood lipids. Nutrition experts specifically recommend sourdough breads, such as oat or rye bread, which may have an even lower impact on blood sugar levels compared to traditional white bread. The fermentation process in sourdough actually breaks down some of the starches, making them easier for your body to process without causing dramatic glucose spikes. The impact of bread choices extends beyond diabetics. Extensive research from major institutions like the University of Cambridge and Imperial College London shows that consuming too many ultra-processed foods increases the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. This includes many baked goods made with refined white flour and industrial pastries. Studies consistently link diets rich in processed foods to obesity, heart disease, and metabolic disorders. Here's what nutrition experts advise diabetics to do. Choose whole grain, rye, or oat bread over white varieties. Avoid white bread and industrial pastries high in sugar and fat. Always read food labels to check fiber content and ingredients. Incorporate bread into a balanced diet that includes protein and vegetables to further slow glucose absorption. The bottom line? Bread isn't the enemy of diabetics, but the type and quantity play a crucial role in managing blood sugar levels and overall health. Switching to whole grains and reducing processed foods is a simple yet effective step in preventing diabetes complications. Remember, whole grain bread provides sustained energy, better blood sugar control, and additional nutrients that support your overall health. The fiber content helps you feel full longer, reducing the temptation to overeat or snack on less healthy options. When shopping for bread, look for products that list whole grains as the first ingredient, contain at least 3 grams of fiber per slice, and avoid added sugars or artificial preservatives. Making this simple switch from white to whole grain bread can significantly impact your diabetes management and long-term health outcomes. What type of bread do you currently choose? Share your experiences in the comments. If this guide to diabetic-friendly bread choices was helpful, give it a thumbs up and share with someone managing diabetes. Subscribe for more evidence-based diabetes nutrition tips and practical health advice, and I'll see you in the next video.